What's up, folks? We are changing our grates right now. It's the 9250 combine. I just put a new bubble up auger in the tank with some help of the other guys this morning. So we're changing what we call the concave grate, whatever you want to call it. That's your rotor in there. So we change this depending on what crop we're doing. So these are the ones for beans. They're a little bit bigger wire, and then you got a big round bar for corn, and then we got a what we call a small wire for wheat. So on a case you just change the front two, which I think is the same way on the John Deere. They're a little different. I do know a John Deere is one piece and it goes from one side to the other. These is like half comes out on this side, half comes out on the other side, and meets there at the bottom. But yep, pretty simple, straightforward, not a hard job. So I'm gonna get them out now. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. I'll show y'all what the other ones look like out there. Okay, we in the 9250. We got the grates changed. We got to change the rotor speed yet, but checking the hours on it right here, making sure the oil don't need to be changed before we cut wheat. And yep, they had it right here. Got the planter hooked to the 380, the 340. It's got to have a transmission. It has about 7,000 or 8,000 hours on that transmission, so it's been a good one. But they are rebuilding the planter, putting new blades and the cups on there with the fur opener. So they're getting that done while I'm getting combines ready. Toolbox. It should be under service. So 600 hours, 338 of 600. Yes, good. To the cut wheat. She will do wheat. But anyway, that's a little bit what we got going on. We're just working in the shop today. It's trying to rain a little bit, so staying steady at it. All right, we on the 8250 now. So these are the small wire grates I was talking about. We got 9250 ready to go. Grease it up. Got that header ready to go. This header here, we had to pull the belts out. There's two places at the front we got to replace and weld back in, and we had to have that center feed belt and there's a pan up under the center drum we had to replace. So yep, I am gonna reach in this hole right here, and there should be a tab. Oh, case is so lovely. Some of their stuff ain't bad. Right there. Oil should be draining. Shit. And we just gonna Unscrew that. Get some air. That right there. Hydraulic fluids again. Got the stickers put on the truck yesterday, so they looking good. Let's make sure we got oil going into the bucket. Yes, we do indeed, slowly but surely. It ain't the warmest, but it's running. All right, we got our fuel filter. Got both of them changed. Turbo's fixing to hand us a funnel here. Fixing to start throwing in some oil. There's no good places. That'll be one right there.
How much you gonna take?
Supposed to take 8.
8 jugs?
This is 2. Number 2. I got one more fuel filter.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have a check.
Yeah, top.
Yeah.
Never mind. Dead on the money. Let's crank it up. Filter's all full. Somebody hand me 11 wrench.
11. And we gotta take out full filter first before we crank it.
I want to get this one back primed first.
Oh, I got you. Oh, we just turn on the ignition.
Yeah. When you go turn on the ignition, let me know.
Got you.
Okay, I don't know if you all saw that, but we got it full of. He's about to turn the ignition. We're gonna bleed out this filter right quick. Just a bleeder. Yeah. That's all you want right there. Just bleed. No, you don't want a bunch of. It says fuel back here. Reach on it. Yep. Wow, that all good. So this video probably coming out tonight. And there'll just be some combine stuff. But the next couple of days, tomorrow morning, I am heading to Florida to fish with some buddies. So I'll be down there like Sunday or Monday. So I'll be getting lots of video catching peacock bass. And y'all be seeing some of that. Go ahead and try to crank it. Come on. All right, this is your last fuel filter. We got changed. There's only 2 fuel filters, not like any diesel. You got a primary and then what they call a secondary water separator. So it's your water separator. A lot easier to get to. Like so. Oh, and cut this valve off. Well, I'm supposed to drain that. I reckon I don't want to come out now that we cut the valve off. You can't yet till I get this bowl off the bottom of this one. Hand me that filter wrench.